Hola. Thought we'd look inside the composter. Ew. Gross. So, it's supposed to be the consistency of a wrung out washcloth. Not sure how you're supposed to judge that with a pile of goo, but whatever. I did just pour a little bit of water in. Sometimes after it rains, we get this compost tea, which is really gross, that leaks out. And I usually pour that back in. Sometimes you open the lid and there's all kinds of little grub things around the edge. Pretty gross. But you should have 75% by weight of carbon material, or not carbon, like the dried grass and stuff, and 25% of the nitrogen, I think, which is all the food waste from your kitchen. Okay, bye.